Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from OANDA 2026. First, open your browser and log in to your OANDA account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Manage Funds. From there, select the Withdraw option. Next, choose the account you want to withdraw from, such as your primary trading account. After that, select your withdrawal method, which may include debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other options depending on your location. Then click Continue. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw and provide the required payment details. For example, if you choose a bank transfer, enter your bank account information. If you choose a card withdrawal, confirm the saved card details. After filling in the information, click Continue. On the next page, carefully review all the details, and if everything is correct, click Confirm to submit your request. Once submitted, OANDA will start processing your withdrawal. Card withdrawals usually take a few business days, while bank transfers may take a bit longer depending on your bank. That's it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.